Yo, what is going on, guys? It is Design by Z here, coming at you with a brand new video. I just want to apologize that I haven't uploaded in a couple months. I've been very busy with the commissions like that, but I'm bringing you guys this video for the community. This is a free 3D mock-up. So if you want the file, the link will be in the description. If you want more premium, if you want hands-on learning, 24/7 help with me on your 3D journey, ways to make money, anything like that, then be sure to check out my Discord. I have a free learning Discord where I also offer premium services. But with that being said, let's get right into this video. So for this video, I'm going to be using a Cinema 4D with Octane render. We're just gonna make this quick as possible, so I'm just gonna set up my scene real quick. So we're gonna go to mode, project, 60 frames per second. Make sure that my Octane render is enabled. So I just have my Octane preset, Octane live viewer render. Make sure that everything's looking good, everything's looking great, just a white screen. And then we're going to want to drag and drop the 3D FBX file that I have in the description for free into the scene. So boom, drag and drop, press OK. Everything is looking good. So this is what it looks like in the native viewer, but if we look in our Octane render viewer, it's looking a lot better. So we just want to fix the axes real quick. So we just want to drag this up to the middle. Boom, just like so. Go down. Let's make this like a 250 frame scene, because if we want to export it as a 360 render, we want to do that. Just make sure that the project is on 60 frames. Yep, correct. And then we want to make it spin in the 360, so we're just going to keyframe it at the 0 frame, then go all the way down to the 250 frame and just keyframe it at 360 so that it's doing a full spin, just like so. Boom, let's just line this up. I'm just trying to line it up good in the live viewer so it looks perfect. And now we're going to add the textures onto it. But first, we're going to make these materials into Octane materials. So if you don't know how to do that, just make sure everything's selected. Go to Octane Dialog, Materials, Convert Materials, and then click Materials again. Remove unused materials, remove duplicated materials, and then empty text cache. And then you just want to select either one of them. Click image texture, locate, and it'll pop up a folder locating the texture. And then you just want to drag and drop that black texture. So this one, not the normal, the diffuse. Drag and drop that into Photoshop. So we're just going to drag and drop that into Photoshop. I didn't mean to open my Adobe Illustrator. So we drag and drop it into Photoshop, and then we can drag and drop our designs. Make sure that they're PNG or whatever the case may be for your files into here. So I already have my files ready, so we're just going to drag and drop this. As you can see, it's not a PNG, so what we can do is we just want to right click it, create clipping mask, and then make sure that the blending type is fits best for the shirt. So we're just going to make this the full back, just like that, and then we're going to make a front design. So these are already designs that I made for my brand, so I'm just using this for an example. Again, create clipping mask, and then boom. And then just play around with it until you find something you like, and then click save as copy when you're ready. And then you can just save it as a copy. You can name it whatever. So just test. Always make sure you do save as copy, so it saves in the exact same place that when you click locate image, it will already be there, right? So now you can just highlight, select both these, and then just drag and drop that new texture file that you just created in Photoshop and apply it, and it will apply right to your shirt. So now we have the 3D shirt with the texture on it. Very, very simple, very easy. Again, this free FBX file will be in the description down below for download if you want to create something like that. And then let's say if we wanted to render this out in Cinema 4D, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. So once you have your keyframes, right? So I have the keyframe at the 0, and then I have the keyframe at the 250 doing the full 360. We just want to come up here to settings. Make sure it's on Octane render if you're using Octane. If you're not, then use whatever you're using, Redshift, physical, whatever. So I just want to make sure that my save is wherever I want it to be. So we'll just do YouTube tutorial, name it whatever you want, render, make sure that all these settings, you only do alpha channel if it's going to be PNG. These are my output settings just for Instagram. Make sure that's on all frames. And then material override, make sure all these are on. And then Octane render, just make sure that everything matches up, which it does. And then once you're ready, you can just click this button right here and it will start your render. So this will render 250 images for each frame, right? So it'll take quite a bit, depends on the scene, depends on the settings, all that stuff like that. But you guys will see the final product at the beginning of this video. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. If it did help you out a little bit, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you guys have any questions or concerns, also just reach out, let me know. I'll be in my Discord, my learning Discord, again down below if you want the free FBX for this file as well. Link in the description. Anyways, till next time, guys, peace.